I am Phil Pederson from Apple Valley, California. I am a trained and certified heavy equipment operating engineer. This is my video resume. It is in two parts, equipment skills and certificates. First, my equipment skills. For each piece of equipment mentioned here, I did a walk-around safety inspection, control identification, startup procedures, equipment-specific tasks done to industry standards, and shutdown procedures. I have been trained on, and I am certified on, the John Deere 710 backhoes, Case 570 skip loader graders, Case W20 wheel loaders, Cat skid steers, GMC dump truck, Cat 315 excavators, Cat track loaders, Cat D4 dozers, Cat 430 backhoes, and the Cat 414 skip loaders. In addition to this equipment, I am certified by Caterpillar on their M-Series motor graders. You can view my equipment skills on my YouTube channel, Operator Phil Pederson. And now about my certificates. To get certified, I had to demonstrate my skills and knowledge in front of a video camera. You can see what I did to get certified on my YouTube channel, Operator Phil Pederson. I am a certified grade checker. I can set up a transit, determine the height of instrument, shoot the grade, verify my readings, calculate cut or fill, and communicate the information on stakes or by other means. I can use a hand level and read an engineer's rule. I am certified in Dig Alert. The law requires that Dig Alert be utilized on every job. I can recognize facilities and identify substructures. I can delineate a work site, call in with the proper information, verify facility activity, and pothole to the required standards. I am construction math certified. I can calculate cubic yards, safe working load for rope and wire rope, and sling stress for rigging. I can work with fractions, compile ratio charts, and lay out a slope. I am a certified rigger. The law requires that on every job, someone be responsible for the rigging. Over 90% of the time, the operator is given that responsibility. I can determine if the rigging is proper for the load, if it is in good working condition, and I know the ways to attach it to the load, using the basket, bridle, and choker hitches with multiple wraps and legs. I am certified in oxygen acetylene cutting. A large number of permits that are being pulled today are demolition permits. I can set up the tanks, get a cutting flame, cut the steel, and do it all safely. I also know air brakes. I can do a compressor test, a leak test, and a governor test. I work within the proper operating range and drain the tanks daily. And now a little bit about safety. I have been MSHA safety trained. MSHA is the only nationally recognized safety training program in the United States. There are no others. MSHA teaches us that we need to look after each other and share in the responsibility of keeping each other safe. My MSHA safety training focused upon personal safety, equipment safety, and environmental safety. And finally, my supervisor skills. As a supervisor, I was responsible for getting work done through others, verifying that it was done properly and on time. I assigned work to those who were able to do the work and trained those who were not able, so they would become able. You can see more of my skills and what I did to get certified by going to my YouTube channel, Operator Phil Pederson. You can contact me at 602-999-7398. That number again is 602-999-7398. Thank you.